Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. Today we are venturing a little bit deeper down the rabbit hole with a water programming technique for abundance. And we'll call this level 2. Last week I did a fairly basic one. We're going to repeat those steps, but we're going to take it one step further. And, folks, over the years I have delivered a number of different products and services for abundance, and I continue as I learn new things, I share them with you in one form or another. And it's important that you continue on your path to work at these different techniques, because something is going to work for you. And that's why I am shown such an array of information to get it out. First, my human mind has to disseminate the information, and then that will translate into, whether it's some type of body geometry, just a quick water programming video or what have you. But it's important that you keep pushing down that path. And one of these tips and tricks will definitely move you into that space you need to be in. So with that said, we're going to get it back straight. You're going to need a glass of water. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap our hands around the glass of water, touching our fingers, but not actually touching the glass. Okay? And in a second, you're going to put your attention on the inside of the water. Okay? Let's reverse that for a second. You're going to put your attention on your hands, and you're going to feel in a second the energy from the water is going to start to move out in this almost like this protective bubble. Okay? And it's just going to start to pulsate. And as you keep your attention on your hands, it's just going to continue to pulsate. And then we're going to honor its space. And the difference between what we did last time, and we'll call this level 2, is we're going to create a vortex within the water, an energetic vortex, to amp up, the intention, which is to attract abundance to you. Okay? So as that energy starts to pulsate, you're going to put your attention on the entire enclosure and just repeat those 8 magical words. I honor the space in which you exist, and just allow that. Okay, so at this point, that energy is moving very quickly from the water into your hands, okay? And what we want to look at now is in the center of the water, you'll start to see and feel that energetic vortex just kick up. Okay? It's just going to grow at a geometric rate, and it's going to start to really push out on your hands. Okay, probably take about 10-15 seconds for it to reach. Okay, this is another step in the abundance sequence to attract abundance in your life via water programming. Okay, once that reaches that kind of maximum level, you're just going to want to go ahead and drink as much as you want. Notice the taste and the texture on this. Whew, wow, that one's really amazing. That's way off. And you'll also notice that, look at the water, it almost started to carbonate. Actually, it did start to carbonate. See all the little bubbles in there? They weren't there when I started. So, yeah. That's the magic of water, programming water. Thanks, folks. Rock this one. Bye-bye.